Welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you are here because of my teardrop tour video. If you haven't watched it, I will include a link in the bio. I have received hundreds of questions about my build and especially about the poor man's fiberglass technique. I realized that I have over 100 pictures of my build process and thought that they might be able to help you if you are considering building a teardrop trailer. I have arranged them in order from the initial sketch all the way up to her camping adventures. I have also built a small cargo trailer since then and used the same poor man's fiberglass technique. I made a how-to video on that, so you can check out that link in the description as well. I will do an update video the next time I take her out. She had a great adventure planned across the West Coast, but COVID got in the way. I've included a few pictures of her adventures over the past 5 years, including a trip to Zion National Park and a hike up Angel's Landing. Enjoy the video and send me pictures of your builds. Have fun!